Oh my god, the bird. That's the raptor. That annoying little sucker.
Oh, I know what that fucking Audino is packing, dude. It's packing fucking what's it called? It's packing simple. Now you could be running Call Mine Hack Ring. Oh no, you're probably fucking running uh simple beam in towards the fucking life score, dude. Even a body bender.
Okay, I guess I go with this.
Even thinks it's one.
Of course. That just sucks for one Pokemon specifically, but that's fine.
-2 chomp, dude. Okay. I think I know what you're gonna do.
Really? You do?
Called it.
Bruh. Oh god.
Shame. That's the trailer. Dog. Weirdo. Forgot how King Shield works.
Huh?
I said I forgot how King Shield works.
How you forget?
I have 2.5 functioning brain cells, that's why. Supporting Goliath score is nice. I'll give you that. Bizarre.
Oh my god. This thing virtually unkillable.
Yeah, dude, I got Roost on this motherfucker as well, dude.
I need a crit.
No, you ain't getting the crit.
I need a crit. Bruh.
I'm a little bitch. What can you expect, dude?
This is so stupid.
Weirdo. Okay. Double
I really
prop.
don't know. I really don't know what to go for, so.
Dylan's on, bitch. Lucky. I'm sorry, dude, but what fucking damage is that?
This is so annoyingly stupid here. Oh my god!
Yo, offensive teleport gang. Yeah. You're still disappointed. Wow. Like,
So close. Woo! Got a lucky break there. This battle been tough. And of course, Pelleberry will protect herself. If I did not make this Zard kind of bulky, I'd be screwed. I need a burn or something. Burn, crit. Yeesh.
wait, got him. You fast, got him. Sure, got him. I'm sorry, dude, but what is that there? You have no idea how much Zard sucks at this shit.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
Dude, why did you switch your Charizard out?
I need a crit. Please give me a crit. Oh my god, that stupid bird.
Thank you for killing my Pelipper. You just made me.
This is ridiculous.
There's an earthquake. Spectacle! Oh, yeah. You're dead. Holy fuck, dude! How much damage do you need to do?
Shoot, I need that because the Staraptor is a pain in the behind right now. Can't even do nothing to it. I can't. I'm gonna lose to Mega Staraptor.
Dang, it's a 2v4!
That don't mean nothing.
It's a 2v4!
You got all that bulk, man. I can't do nothing towards that bird.
Wait, I don't think that. Oh, wrong side. Wait. Oh, no.
I hate that Gliscor lost roofs. It sucks.
Nah, I had a feeling. You weirdo! Dude, you're gonna run out of protect soon. Oh
Yes.
my fucking god.
I needed that for sure. 'Cause I was gonna lose otherwise.
Smoking no cookie in the house. Putting on your big shit. No, hold from. Yeah, the only way you win is if you cringe the raptor.
Duh. That's fine. No, it's not. Oh my god.
Like, that was fun. Yo, this is actually sad. Yo, can you let me just finish this shit real quick? I'm getting tired. Getting pissed off with the king shield! Oh my god. Yo,
Give me a crit. Give me a crit. Be funny. Oh
Yo,
my
it's a
god.
1v2. I can win this. It's not like I'm gonna run out of Brave Birds anytime soon anyway. Dude, what the fuck is this? Oh my god, you fucking weirdo.
Look, I'm finna make this easy. Shoot, that bird get on my nerves. So freaking bad. I'm not gonna just automatically let that thing sweep me.
Yo, be honest, how chonky is that Garchomp? Yo, I'm out of CCs! What the fuck? I should have got Brave Bird! You fucking weirdo! Oh my god, oh my god! Yo! I'm about to get fucked! I'm out of close combat! What was this gonna be King Shield again, dude? Oh my god. We're timer stalling!
It's not gonna work anyway. It's gonna just say draw, but it doesn't matter because I can just do this now.
Oh my fucking god, you weirdo! Gang, please, chill!
No way, I'm gonna chill.
No, you! Bro's gonna fucking prod the Garchomp now. Oh my god, bro, what is this? Oh my fucking god. Which does Brave Bird do? Yes! Finally, that thing's gone. How much poltergeist do you have left? 7, right? How many poltergeists do you have left?
Yeah.
7, right?
What about it?
How many do you have left?
7.
Oh wait, you can't afford a King Shield in front of me.
I've not slept
Again,
with King
attack
Shield
you.
in front of you. Oh my
The
god.
offense. Yeah, I can just spam root.
So
Yeah. Hell yeah. Because you have what, base 140 attack now? Or 130, or is it 120? Yeah, 1. No, I'm at plus 60. That is good. Where's the damage? Yo, a minute till the battle. Yo, how much
Bruh.
HP do you have? Like 120, right? So much. I'm
This is
being honest, I
ridiculous.
wanted to put Charm Whimsicott on this team so fucking bad. Or I could just
I'm gonna run out of time.
have fun. Attack this? Fuck. Yo, dude, how much HP do you have?
I'm max.
Yeah, I know, but like, what's the number?
Oh my god.
What? Yo, what the fuck? That's a bullshit.
Yeah, I have more HP. So it does work. If you deliver it,
Okay, I
dude,
was
I
at
guess it doesn't.
151 HP. How much were you at?
167.
What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is that?
Oh, snap.
And also,
I'm-
I'm pretty sure I could just stall up the turns and get attacked and block your poltergeist, by the way. In reality, we don't know who the fuck was because I was just getting hammered.